want you guys to think about all the times that you guys have ran into long, big words that have been hard to read. Has anybody been reading a book and then there has been a very long word and you're just like, what is this? Or you're thinking, I need to try to sound it out or something. Has that ever happened to you? Because that's definitely happened to me.
Me too. It was kind of big, but it was like a short word, but it was kind of big. It wasn't respectful.
It's been years.
It's spelled, I think it was, no. I don't know.
Mine was like, I don't know.
That's a pretty short word, but I can understand how that could be hard. Okay. I want you guys to think about what you have learned about prefixes, suffixes, and syllables.
Like understand.
That's syllables, right?
Or like undo. It's like a prefix of not do.
Okay, that's a perfect example. The prefix un is actually one of the examples that we're gonna touch on. Does anybody know what a suffix is?
It's kind of like it's like a prefix like at the end of a word.
It's at the end of the word that changes the meaning of the word, right? Okay. I'm gonna pass these out.
It's like clapping stuff out.
You guys did get these. If you guys had a parent-teacher conference, you might have gotten these in one of your folders. But I want you to look at the front and back briefly, just skim and see what you find familiar and what maybe is unfamiliar.
Can we annotate it if you want?
Of course, annotate it if you want. You can write your name on it. It is not a worksheet. It's actually an anchor chart, just explaining what a prefix is and what a suffix is. Okay.
So write our name. Is this like the racist paper?
Almost, yes. It's just something to keep you on track, and it's like a reminder.
Wait, no, because it restates the answer. The question. And it answers the question. And it explains things.
You're talking about races.
Is this like an example? I just gave an example before.
Like the
Like not pre-K, but pre-kids.
Pre-K. What would that mean?
Well, pre-K is like a younger grade,
but what does that mean? Is it before or after kindergarten?
Before kindergarten. So I guess I could put pre-K.
What does pre mean then?
Before something. So I guess I could say preview.
Look at what I wrote.
Oh, you did preview too.
I sure did the preview. Who wants to read our first word?
Preview.
Wait until we get called on for this one. And then we just went over preview. Justice brought that one up. What about this one?
Unhappy. Oh yeah, I was thinking dislike.
All right.
Dislike means like you don't like.
So what do you guys actually notice about this first word?
Oh, like it's kind of like landfill.
I didn't even look at this
one. Wait, I
one.
need hands because I can't listen to all of these words and all of these people. Logan, what do you
Kind of like landfill.
You see this word fill that's really similar to landfill, right? What about the first, re?
That means like redo.
What does re mean though?
I can read it again.
To do it again, right? What about in preview? Because I see that view is a familiar word that we use sometimes.
Like view is like what you're doing.
Look around.
But what does pre mean? We just talked about pre-K.
Yeah, that means before.
So what would preview mean?
Like preview, like
a movie preview.
Yeah, like the Minecraft movie that's coming out. I think it's next year or in a couple months.
It's giving us a preview. It's giving us a quick view of what the movie is going to be about, and we're watching it a little part of it before the movie comes out, right?
And it looks really good.
Now the only part that we get to watch is the trailer.
Yes,
the trailer. Another word for a trailer is a preview, because it's before.
Yeah, you watched the Minecraft movie trailer.
Okay, what about unhappy, guys? What is our familiar word? No, what is our familiar word?
Happy.
Happy is our familiar word. What does un mean? We kind of went over this.
Like not.
To not.
Not.
So unhappy is to not be happy.
Like un also has two meanings. Like not happy or undo undo something.
Undo is using this.
Oh yeah.
You can raise your
Nathan, what do you
hand.
have to say? You guys aren't raising your hand. You guys kind of took that rule and threw it out the window. So I'm trying to work with y'all. Nathan, what do you have to say?
Like for this, like I can like do. I dislike ranch.
That's do you? Oh, I love ranch, so I can't relate to that. But that's a perfect sentence. Okay, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna hand these out to you.
We gotta do this all today.
It's not a lot, am I?
Yes.
It's really not. It's more simple than it looks.
It has a back. Look under the teeth.
Okay, so today we're gonna do this one together. Okay? So you guys focus. So you guys focus. So you guys focus. I'm waiting for your attention.
I have it down.
All right. I want you guys to write the word refill, our first word.
Which one?
In the middle where it says word, we are gonna write refill.
Like this.
Perfect. Okay.
And I don't like that smell.
Okay.
Prefix.
Perfect. Perfect. So we talked about it already. What do you see? Do we see a suffix or a prefix in this word?
A prefix.
And what is the prefix?
Like if I put unfill if I want to right here.
Okay, well we'll get to that. For refill though, I want us to just focus on the prefix for a second. What would be the definition for read? We already went through this, so I want you guys to read it.
Like the definition for read is do something again.
Thank you. To do something again. So let's write. That's not the same.
You're still using the word read.
He's using the prefix. We're using the prefix read because we're going to do something, right? So read, we're gonna write read. I might have to write this. Actually, no, I'll just show you this. To do something again. To do something again.
That matches up with that definition of landfill.
Wait. Oh yeah, I should wait. That looks good. That looks good. I did the same thing. So
Perfect.
definition root word fill. I know already know the
You already
root
know,
word.
write your fill and then write what fill means. Oh, wait. We can discuss what fill means. Is everybody done writing? It shouldn't take this long, am I?
Well, my words keep coming together. I need to space it out.
Okay, you just need to worry about getting the information down, okay?
Okay. Well, I know what fill means. It's fill mean like
What do you write for fill?
fill some milk.
We'll get there. For fill, for the definition of root word, Justice kind of already gave it to us, and we did talk about it whenever we're going through it. Fill is our root word in this one. So I want you guys to write down fill.
I put it is fill just to get more like specific.
It is fill. You can't use the word. Remember, when we're writing a definition, we can't use the word in the definition, okay? So
And it's only two more.
I'm gonna say to make something full.
To make something full?
To make fill.
No, that's using the prefix.
It's using the word. Remember, we cannot use the word in our definition. We must explain it in different words.
We write something sometimes.
No, refill. I was like refill?
No, refill.
But it was refill.
Give me a thumbs up once you're finished. Thumbs up. You're good? You're good? Almost.
I'm doing the long across person.
Alright,
That my
you
family
can
likes to do.
clap the word refill, like clap their syllables.
Me too.
You can go ahead. Pretty simple, right? So
Refill.
what we're gonna write in syllables is two.
Three. Oh, two.
Because it's refill. 1, 2.
But listen,
Because refill.
you know it's true because
I like to
read and then
my
fill,
cup.
so
You can see the prefix and the root
I can
word
say
and
things.
kind of differentiate what.
you already knew
What
that.
is, right?
Because
Can I
we did
Can I say sentence?
What is your
we did
sentence?
read right
I
here.
like
Let's
to.
listen to Justice real quick.
I like to fit. I like to refill. Like, I will refill your cup.
I will refill your
I
cup.
will refill
That's
my ice
perfect.
cream.
I will refill my ice cream. Okay, let's be more specific with that sentence though. Let's say, what do you have in your cup? What are you refilling?
Juice.
So maybe we can say, I need to refill my cup with more juice. How about
I
that?
would refill
So
my cup.
That's
I
making me thirsty.
need
Oh,
to refill my cup with juice.
So looking at answer choices A, B, C, or D. First of all, who are you going to come back from that background?
C. It is I.
Saida and Jaylani. All right. So Saida, what was your answer choice?
Juice. Oh, yeah, I did that. Oh, can I go get water?
Are you done?
Wait.
Finish really quick and then you can go to this book.
I think it's so I can finish this work so bad.
You need this?
Yes. How about you? I did this.
Yes. But on the way out, ask us.
I just did it. I did it.
Okay. Make sure you guys put your names on it as
Oh,
well.
yeah,
because
yeah.
we'll be using these tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
There we go.
All good, and you can I'll keep them so you
Okay.
guys will. Thank you. Your name? You finished your? Oh, you're missing something in your sentence.
And Joshua.
Probably before
So good job to my
recess would
three
be a better
friends who
time.
chose the right answer. And a shame to 11 others of
Your
you
name is on
who
it, Logan.
Yeah.
Actually, did you guys want more time to work on your?
Wait, no, mine.
There's a chance that was absolutely ridiculous.
You
If
guys
you
don't
had the
have
right
to
answer, then you
type
chose
up
to change
really
it to
quick.
a lot
Me?
because you saw other
Can
people.
I do that?
Does that make any sense?
I'm saying in a minute. You guys have a couple more minutes. If you want to work on it, you guys can. Nathan, do you want to work on it?
Come on.
So yesterday, who can remember? Who can remember what word we were breaking down?
Talking. Oh,
Refill.
Refill.
Yes.
And we were writing it in a sentence.
Yes, we were. Yes, we were. So here you guys are. So I want you guys to flip the page. So this one, I want you guys to draw a circle in the middle. Yes. But I'm gonna give you guys the word. So if you need
I'm gonna trace it.
1 second.
So we trace it.
Trace what?
If we, that's good.
Oh yeah.
So I think I have an idea of what we're gonna do.
What?
Can I share?
What is your idea?
So I think we're gonna do just a minute. Yep, kinda. So if you either this like trace the line up to the side. To
Exactly
the
like
side,
the page on the yep. But I'm gonna give you guys a new word to break down. Our new word is going to be unlikely.
Yes. Yes.
Okay? Unlikely.
Is this how you spell it?
Wait, let me see. Yeah. Unlikely.
So can we go ahead and like draw our lines?
Go ahead and draw your lines. Draw your lines. Draw your lines. Thank you. Draw your lines like this.
I'll try not to draw too small.
Yeah, please don't write too small.
Okay, so we can definition. What's the definition? That means not doing something.
So I just want you guys to write DEF period of root word. Yeah.
DEF what?
ROO. Yeah, root word.
There you go.
Okay, it's okay. Okay, good. Now it's DEF of prefix / suffix. We're drawing root words, colons, because that's where our information is going to go.
Okay, so here you can see that my audio unfortunately went out because my microphones died. But I ended up going over where they needed to write their syllables and their sentence. The word that I gave them was unlikely, and they did a pretty good job on all of the areas except for the sentence part. A couple of them needed some help, so I gave the example that of like it would be very unlikely for me to eat pickles, and that kind of cleared up a lot, and they ended up completing their task.